You can see this is my helipad right there. Alright, welcome to the Duranify channel. In this video we're going to be flying from a kayak. So this is a beginner's guide to flying a drone from a kayak. So let's get into the video. Thanks for watching. Here we are, out in the clear. On a kayak, and right here, that's going to be the helipad we're going to fly from, and then we're going to do a hand catch. Alright, so let's get into the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, as usual, hit that subscribe button, guys. Alright, let's jump into it. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to make sure that everybody stays safe while they're doing this. The main thing you need to do is wear a personal flotation device. As you see this boat going by here, they're going to make big waves and you could capsize. And also you need to make sure you have your equipment secured so it's not going to go to the bottom of the lake. So make sure your equipment is handled in a way that if it does fall, it falls into the boat, not out of the boat. The other big thing, stay away from the main channels. You need to stay on the side so the big boats don't capsize you or you don't interfere with their joy. Yeah, nice stereo on that boat. I can still hear it over here. Very nice. So here I am preparing everything right in the water. It's always a little trickier, and so it's time to get the phone out. Close all here. Spin this guy around a little bit. It seems to be working fine there. So no room for error out here at all, guys. So we'll be bringing this drone back. About 30% battery. And there goes another boat to have fun. Turning on the controller. And I'm using the DJI Flyborn combo bag right now, guys. And using the Mavic Air 2 right here. No filter on it today. It's very cloudy and a little bit misty and rainy. So, yeah, well, that's what we're going to do. So this should fit on here pretty nicely, as you can see. The only thing I have to worry about is the props hitting. It's a little wobbly. Somewhat next. Oh, sorry. You guys couldn't see there. Okay, so I'm going to extend up the props on it so it's less wobbly on here. And then I am going to face it where I want to fly. I want to fly where the boats are going to. Right up there. That way. I'm going to put it down on the bottom here for a second. We'll paddle up a little bit, trying to keep the water out of the boat. The wind has pushed me back a good way, so I'm going to paddle up a little bit more. Alright, so it's time to power this guy up. We'll start the screen recorder. It looks like everything's a go. I'll start the drone recording. Okay, everything's a go. Okay, it's ready. Here's the launch. Oops, got a little bit of water on my controller. Alright, I think I'll be okay. Here we go. Alright. You guys can see it? Alright, the wind's spinning me around, so I'm going to have to spin this guy around. Alright, here we go. And there he goes. A lot of noise here, guys. So we're at 1.5 kilometers away. Just getting it. A lot of action. gonna head on back. We have like 40% battery. Good practices are that you come back a little sooner. You can see the jet ski coming around and around the corner here. Yeah, so there's the jet ski. There she goes. Well, there he goes. Yeah, just my luck. There's a pontoon boat coming by. And there I am. Well, that was the hand catch, guys. And, there it is. Tips and tricks for flying from a kayak are this. Put yourself in a spot you're not going to get too many wakes from boats. This is Lake Anna, Virginia, and there's a lot of boats, okay? And a lot of big boats. And today it was an overcast day, so I was lucky enough that there wasn't that many boats. So I got to actually just enjoy the water, and I had to paddle with one hand to steer the boat around, kind of like this. So I can, keep the orientation downrange here where the bird was. So those are the tricks, make sure you guys can have it in location you're not going to obstruct any traffic. Make sure you're able to get really good clean line of sight, and then come back with plenty of battery. So I hope that helps you guys. It's been really fun doing this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Alright, give me some love back. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.